Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Botswana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Botswana uh, e-visa site. So you can go through the site first. You can get all the information that you need, like process, terms, your photo requirement, passport requirement, everything that you should know, so that you don't get any last minute surprise. So you need to begin the application, pay the fee, and then complete the visa application, then upload documents, and once that is there you can check the status, and if granted you are all good to go. Okay, so I would try to walk you through maximum that I can. Okay, because of course I'm not gonna do the payment, but let's see how much I can take you for. List of countries that require visa to enter Botswana. So check your nationality if that is here or not. Whatever it is. So if you're an Indian national, you do need. Okay, but a Canadian national does not need. Okay, fine. Whatever is there. Right. Let's begin with apply now. So what are the things you need? Surname, fill as per your case, not what I'm doing. Date of birth you can select here. Passport number, you have to put your passport. Be very careful when you do that. Be very careful with the expiry date. Okay, don't put something wrong. Verify everything 2 times. Nationality, very important. Type of visa is a drop down here. Diplomatic, transit, business. I select tourist. Number of entries, I select single. How many days you're gonna stay? Let's say you're gonna stay there for 15 days. Email, whatever it is, put that. Don't do like this, put your actual email. That's where it goes. We are done with step 1. Step number 2, they've asked to pay Paula. So fee varies based on number of entries and other things. See, it's coming here, registration we did, payment we have to do, visa form. Unfortunately I won't be able to walk you through more than that, but I can tell you what happens in the document section. Mainly your our passport and photo. Okay, and of course you can add something optional like financial documents and all if you want to. That will help. Return tickets, if that will help. Visa application form is the actual game where they ask you all the details, your address, your phone number, um, your purpose of visit, when you are supposed, when you're anticipated to enter, exit, all these information, but all are pretty simple, so you don't need to worry about. And once you are like step 3 4, then you can track the status, and with that, uh, if granted, you're all good to go. So this is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.